Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you all of the box accessories on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. You can already see that this phone came in two boxes. This is the phone box and here is the cover case with the T-pen. First I'm gonna open the big box and then I'm gonna move on to that one. So let's open this box. The first thing we can see is obviously the phone, which looks like this. We can take it out. Then underneath you can see a charging brick, charging cable, and some documentation. And these are all of the accessories that are within the box. Also there is a SIM card tray opener. And now we can move on to this box. In this box, when we open it, we can find a case. That case looks like that. There's the styrofoam inside, you can take it out, and this is the box, and at the bottom it has the T-pen which you can click on to slide it out, and it works perfectly with the phone. I'm gonna show you that in a moment. First let's put the phone into this case. It's pretty easy, just pop it in. And now that's how the phone presents in the case. And when I take out this stylus, I can use it right away. I don't need to charge it. It just works like that. And I can, for example, draw. As you can see, it does work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.